Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to fix alarm not going off iPhone. Here are the steps to fix an alarm that's not going off on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the clock app. Tap the alarm tab at the bottom. Check that your alarm is turned on. The toggle should be green. Tap to verify the alarm time and AM or PM settings are correct. Tap sound to ensure ringtone is selected, not set to none. Check the volume level on your iPhone by going to Control Panel. Make sure it's not too low or muted. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is not active. You can do this by going to Settings, Focus, Do Not Disturb. Ensure Silent Mode. The side switch is off, as alarms usually still sound, but double check settings. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system. If using a recurring alarm, delete it by swiping left and create a new one. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and update the latest version of iOS. Check for any third party alarm apps that may conflict and disable them. Reset all settings if the issue persists by going to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset and reset all settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.